Good morning, everyone. To all the lazy moms out there that every day during the summer, all they keep saying is, what should I cook for my kids? I want to share with you a recipe. A little bit difficult to make, but so what? Try harder for the kids. I mean, you eat too, and you eat like a horse. You have to wear an apron because it's a little messy. I'm going to give you a great tip. Something delicious, and if you do exactly how I instruct you, it will come out great. If you don't pay attention, it will not come out good. Don't say I didn't tell you. This warm meal, open carefully. Now when you open it, don't open it till the end and don't tear it. Don't tear it because you need it again. Don't tear it. You open it up and you leave it just like this. You have to use this afterwards. Open slowly. Lots of dishes. Sammy coming your way. Usually they give you a plastic fork, but who needs it? Get your own one. So, boiling water, okay? Now, no shortcuts. Don't be lazy. I tell you, boiling water. It won't come out good without it. Pour the water slowly, with care and love. Put all your love in it. All your complications and everything that's going on, just put it all in this dish till you reach the line. Because if you go over it, it'll be a disaster. Put the kettle back. Don't use that fork they give you. They're just trying to get you to use it. Use a normal fork. Mix. Now you mix. You mix and mix. You stir and stir. Now it's time to talk about the cover. You close it tight. Close it well and seal it hard. Oh, am I sweating? Oh, am I sweating? Goodness, it's such hard work. Don't miss your apron. I just got mine from Walmart. It's closed. I'm going to wait about 5 minutes. Don't open in the middle. Have patience. It's not like you're going anywhere. Wait at least 5 minutes. Be calm. Be calm. That's it. Okay, open it and let your kids, Adina, Talia, let your kids eat. Dinner's ready. Oh, and don't forget to join me in my next recipe.
Okay.
Go.
Please, no questions. I don't have time.